Starting an Airbnb business in Kenya can change your financial life in a simple and practical way. Many people think you need a lot of money or many houses to begin, but the truth is you can start small and grow step by step. In recent years, more people have chosen short-stay apartments instead of hotels because they are more comfortable, more private, and often more affordable. This has created a strong opportunity for anyone who wants to earn steady income. If you understand how the business works and you stay consistent, you can turn one small room or apartment into a reliable source of income that grows over time. The idea of Airbnb is very simple. You provide a clean, safe, and comfortable place where guests can stay for a few days or weeks. These guests can be tourists, business travelers, couples, or even local people who want a quiet place away from home. You list your space online and people book it. Every night a guest stays, you earn money. What makes this business powerful is that you can earn more per day compared to renting the same house monthly. For example, a house that rents at 30,000 Kenyan shillings per month can earn more than 60,000 Kenyan shillings if used as an Airbnb and managed well. When starting, the first thing you need is the right location. In Kenya, location plays a big role in how much you will earn. Areas like Kilimani, Westlands, Kaileshwa, Lavington, and parts of Nairobi Central Business District attract many guests because they are close to offices, malls, hospitals, and entertainment spots. In coastal areas like Nyali, Bambari, and Diani, tourists are the main customers. In towns like Naivasha and Nanyuki, weekend travelers and holiday makers create demand. Choosing a good location increases your chances of getting bookings almost every week. After choosing a location, the next step is getting the house. You can either use your own house or rent one. Many people in Kenya start by renting, but you must always ask the landlord for permission to run an Airbnb. This is very important because some landlords do not allow short-stay rentals. If you get approval, make sure everything is written clearly to avoid problems later. The cost of getting a house usually includes deposit and 1 month rent. This can range from 30,000 Kenyan shillings to 150,000 Kenyan shillings, depending on the area and type of house. Once you have the space, you need to furnish it. This is where you create the experience for your guests. A good Airbnb is not just about a bed. It is about comfort, cleanliness, and style. Start with the basics. Get a strong bed, a comfortable mattress, clean bedsheets, pillows, and blankets. Add a sofa, a small table, curtains, and lighting that makes the room warm and welcoming. A television and fast internet are very important because most guests expect entertainment and connectivity. If you have a kitchen, provide basic cooking items like sufurias, plates, cups, and a kettle. You can spend between 80,000 Kenyan shillings and 250,000 Kenyan shillings to fully furnish a simple one-bedroom unit. Decoration also plays a big role. People love places that look beautiful in photos. Add wall art, indoor plants, mirrors, and simple decorations that make the space look modern. Do not overcrowd the room. Keep it simple and clean. When a guest walks in, they should feel relaxed and comfortable immediately. First impressions matter a lot in this business. After setting up your space, you need to list it online. This is where you introduce your house to the world. Take clear and bright photos during the day when there is enough natural light. Capture every part of the house, including the bedroom, sitting area, kitchen, bathroom, and even the view outside if it is attractive. Write a simple and honest description. Explain what the guest will get, what is nearby, and why your place is a good choice. Use clear words that anyone can understand. Pricing your Airbnb correctly is very important. If your price is too high, you may not get bookings. If it is too low, you may not make good profit. Research other listings in your area and see how much they charge per night. When starting, it is wise to charge slightly lower than others so you can attract your first guests and get good reviews. Once you build trust and get positive ratings, you can increase your price slowly. Managing guests is the heart of this business. Good customer service will determine your success. Always respond to messages quickly. Be polite and helpful. Make check-in easy by giving clear directions and instructions. Some hosts use smart locks or key boxes to make access simple. Always ensure the house is clean before a guest arrives. Clean sheets, clean floors, and a fresh smell make a big difference. After the guest leaves, clean again and prepare for the next one. To increase your income, you can offer small extra services. For example, you can arrange airport pickup at an extra fee. You can provide a few snacks or bottled water as a welcome gift. You can also offer cleaning during long stays. These small things make guests happy and encourage them to leave good reviews. Good reviews help your listing appear higher in search results, which brings more bookings. Running an Airbnb in Kenya also requires you to follow the law. You need to register your business through the government system and ensure you pay taxes on your income. This keeps your business safe and avoids problems in the future. Some counties may have their own rules, so it is important to check what is required in your area. Like any business, Airbnb has challenges. Sometimes you may not get bookings, especially during low seasons. To handle this, you can adjust your prices or improve your listing. Competition is also increasing as more people join the business. To stand out, focus on quality, cleanliness, and customer service. There is also the risk of property damage. To reduce this, set clear house rules and consider asking for a small security deposit. As you continue running your Airbnb, track your income and expenses. Know how much you are earning each month and how much you are spending on rent, cleaning, internet, and maintenance. This helps you understand your profit and plan for growth. If your first unit performs well, you can open a second one, then a third, and build a strong business over time. Consistency is the key to success in this business. It is not about making quick money in 1 month. It is about building a system that brings income every week. If you stay committed, keep improving your space, and treat your guests well, your Airbnb can become a reliable source of income that supports your goals and gives you financial freedom. In the end, the Airbnb business in Kenya is not just about renting a house. It is about creating a good experience for people and earning from it. Start with what you have, learn as you go, and grow step by step. Many people have already built successful Airbnb businesses, and you can do the same if you take action and stay focused.